Bigyan ka na ng dance si Senator Robin Padilla para makakawit dito sa stage. Okay. Yan, Idol. Alright. Biglang sikat ang kusina ni nanay natin, ha? Okay. Hahandugan tayo ng magiging senador. Robin Padilla. Palakpakan kayo dyan! Boss.
Bawal, madi-disqualify tayo dyan. Hahantugan ko kayo ng kanta ko. Hiya naman ako, tinawag ako ng mga songer natin eh.
Yes, so far.
Madaling tatarok.
Huwag kayong sasakat ha sa stage, sa baba lang ngayon. baka masira yung stage natin. Thank you very much pagdating sa bulan ang ating idol, ang ating magiging senador ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
Sikat na sila tartar, lulubog.
Okay. Paano makakanta si Idol kung ayun. Nako. Wow. Nako, swerte naman. Biglang celebrity tayo ngayong gabi. Awitan na tayo ng ating idol. Okay. Sige.
Kailan lang may tartar, di man ako din naman.
Magpupitisin ko na lang si Idol or
She's wondering what clothes to wear. She moves on America and brushes along her hair. And she asks, do I go around? And I say, you from that old tonight. Go to a party, happy birthday. And there ain't no church to sing. This beautiful lady just walking along with me. She asked me, "Would this come up? Do I look alright?" And I say, "You look wonderful tonight." Feel wonderful because I've seen sasabihin nito. All around, it's just you just don't realize how much I love you. Hello po, video po yan. Ako. Kamusta po kayo? It's time to go home now. I'm gonna make a list. So I give her the cat to help me to bed. And I'll tell as I turn out the light, I say my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Okay, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Idol!
Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Huwag kayong malimot, ha? Huwag makalimot sa ating magiging senador ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Robin Padilla! Palakpakan! Thank you for visiting us, Mr. Senator, sa kusina ni Nanay dito sa Bulan Sorsogon. Kasama po niya si Brother Daniel. Andito si Daniel Padilla. Ramil Padilla.